Good morning students, welcome to Konnur online classes. Here previous classes we can discussing the important problem based on the probability of A or B. Here probability means probability of an event A. Here probability of an event A is here favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Here probability of an event means favorable outcomes. Here favorable outcomes to the total outcomes belonging to that given experiment. Here probability of an event is a subset of sample space. In that way probability of an event is the ratio of favorable outcomes to the total possible outcomes belong to that random experiment. Here we know that the probability of an event, here on the basis of this concept we can take probability of an event A or B. Probability of an event A or B is equal to probability of an event A plus probability of an event B minus probability of an event A intersection of B. Suppose A and B are mutually exclusive. Here these two events are mutually exclusive, then A intersection of B is equal to 0. Null set. That's why in null set there is no element. So we can take number of elements belonging to these two set is 0. Then probability of this event A intersection of B is equal to 0. That's why probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Here this is these two formulas are very important. For if A and B are not mutually exclusive, we can take probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection of B. Suppose A and B are mutually exclusive, A intersection of B is equal to 0. Probability of A intersection B is equal to 0 then definitely here this term goes to 0. Here then probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Here regarding that we can take another example belonging to that concept. Here we can take very important example. According to survey conducted on 500 women. Here solution belongs to this one. Here total 500 people are there. Total 500 people are there. It was observed that 30% women likes Lakme products. 30% of women. First event here, event 1 A. 30% women like Lakme products. Here Lakme product 30% women say like ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore here according to survey conducted on 500 women 500 ಜನ women's ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರೊಳಗ 30% women like Lakme products. Here this is the first event. 30% of women likes the Lakme products. Here A is equal to 30% of 500 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ here 1000 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1000 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300 ಆಯ್ತು 500 ಕ 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 150 here 150 women belongs to A event A ದೊಳಗಿನ 500 ಇದು 150 members women ಏನಂದ್ರ like Lakman products here that's why probability of this event is equal to 150 divided by 500 150 divided by 500 here ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಅದ 500 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರೊಳಗ 30% ವುಮೆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಮಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ event A 30% of women like Lakman products here ಈ 30% ಎದುರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ 500 ಈಗ 1000 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300 ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದರ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ 500 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30% ಆಫ್ 500 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 150 ಆಯ್ತು 150 here probability of event here favorable outcome 150 ಆಯ್ತು total 500 ಅದ probability of this event 150 divided by 500 similarly 40% of women like L'Oreal products here B 40% women like L'Oreal products yeah L'Oreal products here even the 1000 ಒಳಗೆ 40% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 400 ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 500 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 200 ಆಗ್ತದೆ B is equal to 200 women like L'Oreal products that's why probability of this event B is equal to 200 divided by 500 favorable outcomes divided by total outcome belongs to that one. Here next one and 12% women like both the product 12% here both are the A intersection of B is equal to 12% women like both the products here 1000 ಗೆ 12% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 120 ಆಯ್ತು here ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12% of 500 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 160 ಆಗ್ತದೆ here A intersection of B is equal to 60 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ 60 ಆಗ್ತದೆ probability of this event A intersection of B is equal to 60 divided by 500 60 divided by 500 here according to survey conducted on 500 women 500 women ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವಾಗ it was observed that first event 30% women like Lakman products here first event 30% of women like Lakman products ಈಗ 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30% of 500 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 150 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 150 divided by 500 means here probability of this event A is 150 divided by 500 then 40% of women like L'Oreal products here 40% of 500 means it's a 200 here probability of B is equal to probability of that event is equal to 200 divided by 500 ಆಗ್ತದೆ then ಎರಡೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ both L'Oreal as well as L'Oreal product as well as Lakman products here ಎರಡೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 12% women ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ here ಒಂದು 1000 ಒಳಗ 12% 150 120 ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 women like both the product. Here probability of A intersection of B is equal to 60 divided by 500. Question in क्या likes at least one of the product. Likes here question likes at least one of the product. One of the product. Like at least one of the product means A or B. At least one of product A or B. Here probability of A or B. Probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection of B. Probability of A intersection B. Here probability of A is the probability of A 150 divided by 500 plus probability of B 200 divided by 500 minus probability of A intersection B 60 divided by 500. Here in this case probability of A or B is equal to here base same as 500 150 200 350 ಒಳಗೆ minus 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ 290 divided by 500. Here one get cancelled. 29 divided by 50 is our answer. 29 divided by 50 is our answer. Here next question. Does not like both the product. Here does not like both the product andra here at least one the product like ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A or B. Here probability of A or B plus probability of A or B dash is equal to 1. Here ಈಗ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾಗ probability of A or B dash is equal to 1 minus this term probability of A or B here is equal to 1 minus 29 divided by 50. Here 21 divided by 50 is our final answer. Here even the roga ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಅದ ಈ ಸರ್ವೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು 500 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ 500 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ 500 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ here 30% of women's like Lackman products 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 150 ಆಯ್ತು. probability of this event is 150 divided by 500. 40% L'Oreal product ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200 ಆಯ್ತು. probability 200 divided by 500. here 12% both ಆಗ್ತದ ಅದರ probability 60 divided by 500. at least ಒಂದರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ here ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 29 divided by 50. for second one does not like ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here minus this term 1 minus 29 divided by 50. 21 divided by 50 is our final answer.